Okay guys, today we're gonna learn about how to install Metasploitable 2 right on VMware. Let me search Metasploitable 2. We can see right over here there is something called source page. We will click on this link and it will redirect to our download page. You will find that the download latest version Metasploitable files from RAP as a developed user from source forge right. We will click on it and it will automatically get started right, and it will take few more seconds to get downloaded, and it's almost like 1 GB of file right. So I think I have already downloaded it right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this website or cut it and will create a folder where I want to paste it right, Metasploitable 2 for Linux. So let me create a new folder called Metasploitable 2. I'll paste it over here. You can also do it in your C folder or whatsoever folder you want to, but as I'm having more space on my D folder, so I'm D right disk, so I'm performing over here. And because using binral or using anything, or you can 7-zip, you can extract the file. I'm going to go ahead and extract over here right. Let it get extracted over here. It will take few more seconds. Yeah, we are done. Okay, it may take me a few more seconds right. You can either use 7 as well, which is also a stacking device, and it also allows you to lock your or hide your files right. But I'm using no, yeah, Bindal is also good only, but we can also go for that file as well. So just I think we are done. So as we finally extracted the zip folder right, we can find it that there is a VMware disk file and there is a virtual machine right. So if you guys remember right, when we install Linux, we let me open the right, let me open the okay. If you guys remember, we create a virtual machine right when we install Kali right, or any other virtual machines. But in terms of Metasploitable, we are not going to create it. Instead, we are just directly going to open it. So let's do that. I go to my desk window, D file, Metasploitable 2. Okay, and so you can find I have got the virtual machine file over here. I'll directly open it, and there you go. Finally we have installed it, our Metasploitable on VMware. But let's also configure it right. Again, like if you can see the virtual machine right might have moved or copied right. In order to configure certain management and networking feature, VMware workstation needs to know if this virtual machines were moved or copied right. And if you don't know the answer, I copied means I would tell you. Suppose if you have existing Metasploitable in other machines and you are like trying to install in that machine, over there you are going to do I moved it right, and there are some sort of process which you're gonna follow. You have to do configuration a lot right. So over here you just not need to go for I moved it, you just need to do I copied it right, and just click on it. Let it get started. it will take few more times. It takes me few times. Okay, and guys, as we know, right, Metasploitable is not a GUI based, right? So we will not get any interface over here, right? And to log in, to get into Metasploitable or to use Metasploitable, we have a default login command, which is nothing but msf admin. Msf admin for username, msf add msf admin for password. Now you can see that we are logged into Metasploitable 2, so we can now use whatever command we used to, right? We can just give a present working directly, it's home, right? So we can use any Linux command we know to create a file, to delete a file, or we will be also using Metasploitable to access our SQL iLab, right? So I'll show you in next video as well. In the meantime, let me just do one thing. Okay, so let me log into my Kali account so I can show you if the Metasploitable machine is working or not, right? So let me just go ahead and let me see the, I wanna put exit. Okay, msf admin, msf admin. And to get to know the IP address of Metasploitable or Kali machine, we use if config. We can see the IP address of Metasploitable is 192.168.168.128 and 190, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, open the terminal in my Kali machine, right? 1 second. Okay, so let me do a ping request, right? What was that? 192, 1 second, ping 192.168. what was that? 192.168.120.190, 120.190, 120.190. It should replay. One nine two dot 168.128. Okay, 128, it's 128. 128.190. Guys, you can see I am getting the ping request from Metasploitable. That means my Metasploitable machine is working. And to stop this, we can just do Control C, and we would be able to stop it, right? Finally, we are done with the installing of Metasploitable. For further class, you can subscribe the of Hope channel for future updates, and be stay tuned, right? Thank you.